dragon Abysswalker? What the fuck are you talking about?
Escalators! Give me escalators! 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 Hey, look!
I'm having trouble trying to prog. I'm counting off, but running out.
I don't have time for it. I don't have time for all
As
that.
days tick by, still I try.
Escalators! Escalators!
The rest of the
Escalators!
game is in my
Escalators!
mind.
Escalators!
I'm not here we go.
Oh, dang it. Oh, wait.
At this point, I'll take it, man.
Hi, I'm Derek.
I am not being ganked. I am the gank.
I am not in danger. I am the ganker.
True though. I do not get hit with pebbles. I throw the pebbles.
The pebble.
Yummy trans.
I can just give us switch witches on my botanist.
Right before we kill someone, just feed them a switch witch.
Yeah, I will give us the switch witches.
Into the hole!
That's what she said.
What have I even done that's good?
Still good.
No! You ain't getting away from me. How?
Ooh.
Ooh?
Ooh.
Ooh?
Ooh.
Ooh?
Come go over there and hit him. Just like, you're just gonna slap him. Use your range.
Karma!
Do it.
Well, one life.
Frog out.
Night stones! Nah, the sun is gone. You do it for the vine chat. A desert mist at this time of day?
What? Where's... Is it...
Yeah. I'm missing a little bit of that speed. And, god damn it.
Tell it, don't. It's a fucking necro. He wants streakers. Log now before
Oh, he's
it's too
gone.
late. The letters in 4K.
Damn. He lost points.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Gank! Gank! Death freshie.
Meanwhile,
Fair. Run.
Did you change your class to necromancer or something?
No. I'm using the torch to guide the shriekers too. Okay. Wait, Karma! I got you, bro. Run.
Hey, Flare.
Alright, there. My job's done.
He's ganking. Shoot.